Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to get an access to Copilot Studio. Here you can see I successfully able to log in the Microsoft Copilot Studio and this is a new version. How you can access this? Let's see the licensing requirements to use the Copilot Studio. Okay, now let's go. So before we start, let's summarize what we are going to see. Okay, so if you want to use the Copilot Studio, so you can go with the trial version. You can use an include a route as well, and you can also build standard solutions. Yep. So let's go and see in details. Yeah. So how you can access, this is one of the most important thing. Okay, so if you want to learn like me, so you can use the free trial version of Copilot Studio. If you want to build and extend your app, so you can use the Microsoft 365 Copilot with license experience. Okay, if you have license, then it is very good. Or you can also go with the standard license, means only Copilot Studio license also you can buy. And also you can go with the pay as you go, means how much you have used, that much you can pay. So this option also you can utilize. Then what prerequisites required? Okay, first one, we should have a modern browsers. Okay, that mostly everyone's have. We should have organizational identity, means we should have an use this for the organizations. Okay, like we have the emails at the rate xyz, so that emails we need. Okay, then we should have the tenant permission. Okay, so Copilot and enter Microsoft Power Platform is governed under the tenant level DL policies, so that should be from your tenant level, it should be available to use the Copilot Studio. If on the tenant level on your organization, if it is blocked, so you cannot use the Copilot Studio, not a trial version as well. Yeah. Now to start the free trial version, okay, what you can do, you can simply go to the Microsoft signing page. Okay, so I will jump there for you and quickly show how you can go and create. Okay, so here you can see, just by clicking on the try for free, okay, you can proceed. Now we are seeing how to get a free trial version. Okay, so here you just have to add your school email address or your organizational ID, then just click on next, then create your account and confirm details, then your Copilot Studio free version will enable for you, same like this. Okay, here you can see, in this way you will able to see, and then you can select the environment as well, whichever you want. This is the, in this way you can use a free trial. How free trial works? Okay, so first your trial start for a 30 days period. Okay, after 30 days it may be extend if you are using that continuously, so mostly it will extend for the learning purpose. If you are making some changes or anything in that environment, so that mostly extends. Okay, if your activity is stop, okay, means you are not doing any activity, same like e-file license, developer e-file license, same like Copilot will also work. And after your account is expire, your agent will work for the total 90 days and then it will pause the activity. Then also we have the two plans, okay, that mostly use, that is a Teams plan and one is standalone subscription. So let's see the comparison between the team plans and the standalone subscription. So generative orchestration is available in the standalone subscription, not on the Teams. Also we can deploy the agents on the Microsoft Teams. On the standalone you can deploy agent to external website or Facebook or to your WhatsApp as well. So anywhere you can publish your standalone model, okay, where your organizations allow you. Then in the Teams plan you cannot use the premium connectors, but in the standalone you can use. So what type of environment needs? Okay, so if you are want to use the Microsoft Teams plan, so you have a Dataverse Teams dedicated environment for it in the Microsoft Power Platform with 2 GB of capacity. If you are going with e-file license, you will get that. In the standalone, any environment supports. Okay, so if you see, I am using the standalone license. Okay, so I can support the developer account. Okay, in the developer account I'm using this, and this is a Teams one. If I want to use the Teams plan, so I can do that in the Teams plan as well. So in the Teams plan you will not get benefits like create and edit with Copilot, bot framework skills and live agent handoffs. Okay, so this feature is only available in the standalone subscription model. Yeah, now let's see the next. So if you are going with the standalone licensing and Copilot's credit, so in that, just note, your production access combines maker entitlements environment access and capacity for agent uses. Okay, so this is managed on the tenant level. Your Power Platform admin manage how many um, Copilot credit you they are allowing you to use. Okay, then the maker access means what access your users have, what license they have assigned. So on the basis of that also the licensing will differ. Okay, then the tenant level and as well as environment level, you can configure the licensing security and the other policies as well, which data it should access and other things. Yeah, so you just capacity. If Copilot, if you buy the package of the credits, okay, so it will consume that only. And if you want to go as a pay as you go, if you're not aware like how much your users using it, so for starting, if you're buying the license, you can go pay as you go, and then you can go with the packs of the credits. Yeah, so the one more point I just want to highlight. So since from the 1st September 2025, okay, the common currency for the agent is Copilot credit rather than the message. Means how much credits you are using. Okay, so on the basis of that, your billing will uh, proceed. Means if you are using the tokens, okay, XYZ this much, so on the basis of Copilot credit, your monthly billing will happen, not on the messages how much you are chatting with the bot. So if you are using the trial version, so in that you can select the so some of the common problems whenever you are doing the trial versions, okay, like your personal email, by using that you cannot do. Okay, sign up cannot be complete if your IT admin team has disabled your Copilot um, access on the tenant level. Also you cannot build and publish if it is you are using the free trial version. It is for the testing only. And if your environment are not visible, so you need to connect with your Power Platform admin. In that case, your environment should be visible. So recommended journey where to build the your Copilot bot. Okay, you just discover what you want to create any high value use case that is very helpful for your org or for you. Okay, then just build a small prototype that in the trial version, then validate your question answers. Okay, data knowledge sources for your bot, then prepare the license. Okay, which your license you want, like enterprise pay as you go, and then you can publish monitor your bot. Okay, so this is the life cycle you can follow while building the bot. Okay, so we are following the same in these sessions. So how to choose? Okay, so which license I need? So first one, you can ask the questions to yourself. Do I only need the this bot for the learning purpose? So you can go with the trial version. If you want to publish your agent on the teams only, okay, so you can go with the teams license. And if you are using some premium connectors and other things, so you can go with the standalone Copilot plan as well. So let's go. So these are some official resources from where I have taken this data. Thank you friends, keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day to you.